In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to manifest anything that you want pretty much instantly. We've done this technique time and time again. It's super simple, super easy to implement. You don't have to be spiritual. You can do it by yourself. You can do it with another person. We're going to get into all the details of how to actually do this so you start getting what you want in life.
So, we're going to give you the exact method and steps that we took to manifest while we were traveling abroad. And the first step is visualizing. So, visualizing, getting really clear on what it is you're trying to manifest, what it is you're trying to attract and pull into your energy field.
Step number two, super simple, but a lot of people actually miss this one. So, this is like really key is to feel it. So, even though you can visualize it in your mind and your mind has like maybe an image or you just kind of like know that something that you want, to happen, to feel it, to get into the feelings of it is how it actually manifests because we manifest through our bodies. And our feelings are super, super important for like supercharging whatever it is that we want to attract.
Which brings us to our third step, which is knowing that it's already happening for you. Trusting and believing that all of your visualizing and all of your feeling is actually bringing it into fruition. But with that, you have to let it go.
Which brings us to step four. You've guessed it. Let it go. Let it go, Elsa. It's kind of like you get borderline obsessed with what it is that you're calling in. And especially if it's something that you're putting on a pedestal, right? Which, like, is another sort of tactic. Like, don't do that. See it as totally normal and
Mhm.
natural to your world, to your identity. Don't put anything up here because that's going to create more resistance. But if you're kind of like really into it and you're thinking about it a lot, to let it go can be difficult. But this is really important because this allows the universe to do whatever it does to make this manifestation happen and actually make it happen even better than you could have ever imagined.
Mm.
So, we have a story for you, a little example of how this methodology works for us instantly. Like,
Mm.
oh, so quick. And we
Right.
were traveling abroad. Where were we?
We were in Thailand. We were in Krabi and yeah, we started saying prayers. Like we started kind of manifesting before we even traveled. So every time before we would get on a plane, we're like, okay, it's going to be like so easy and flowy and we're going to meet great people and just going to have a great overall experience, no delays and like
Mm-hmm.
that's what was happening. So then we kept amplifying that together.
We specifically said we will be upgraded free to the best room, to like a really nice like ocean view suite.
Mm-hmm.
We said that very specifically. I remember. We didn't know how it was going to happen. We didn't even know if it was going to happen. We were fine either way. Like
Mm-hmm.
when you are going through the letting go of it, it's like you have to be okay if it happens or if it doesn't happen. And you know, that can be kind of difficult. But okay, I'm okay either way. Like we were fine
Mm-hmm.
either way. We had a room either way.
Right. We had a room either way. And so we got to the resort that we were at. We got to our first room and it was beautiful. We thought it was amazing. You know, it had like one of those clawfoot tubs and like it was just like it was
A
amazing.
mountain
A
view.
mountain, yeah,
It
mountain
was
view. We had a
spacious.
huge balcony. Like we were just like, "Oh, it probably doesn't get much better than this. This is like amazing." And then I think we forgot. I think
We forgot
we
about it.
actually did let it go
We
because
forgot.
we totally forgot that we had even put this out there that we were manifesting an upgraded room. Well, we noticed that our sink was leaking and so we like called them, let them know, and we like immediately got upgraded to this ocean view suite, which I'm gonna like show a little clip
Yeah.
of that here. Say hi.
That was so dope. Like, I love a bath. I'm obsessed with baths. And I remember going into the bathroom and we had the bathtub, and from the bathtub, you could see the ocean. Like, that is bees heaven. Like, a bath with a view is just so epic for me. I was so grateful. And then we realized
Mhm.
like, "Oh my god, we made this happen." And we didn't know it was going to happen from like the leaky sink. Like, how would
Mhm.
we know that? But like it just happened, and we were kind of stressed out too about the sink
Mhm.
cuz we were like, I don't know what they're going to do. Are they going to like have to come in and fix it and like be in our room, and we just like want to hang out and chill cuz it was like super hot and we couldn't go to the pool every day cuz that
Mhm.
was just like a lot. But no, they were like, "Oh, we want to upgrade you.
Yeah.
Ocean view."
So just like that, it can happen for you. Like there's no timeline. It can happen overnight. It can happen in a few weeks, a few months, like whatever. It's but just knowing and trusting and believing and letting it go, it's gonna come. And as always,
Take what you need, leave the rest, and go love yourself.